that promotes nationalism. Part of the nation-building goal of PISA, how do you tend to helping it through your position?
I have to help the nation through my position as PISA president. So, since we are elected to nation building, or nation building, I like to promote, I think for now, like, ngayon, for recession, so all jobs are parang lahat na nawawala. So we could stress the value of information technology to other people. Kasi since parang recession, the jobs we have na parang lahat na natatanggalan, the only field na natitira is IT. They say na wala na babawasan. So parang in a way, people would think na because of IT. So and us that are third world, so parang makita sa technology part. So we are breeding future professionals, information IT professionals. So as well na para ma-improve yung how like for example sa government how departments works.
What will you do if your vice presidents do not do their job and are performing below expectations?
Since I learned that from situational leadership class na people would work for you if they are inspired and parang passion. So if ever na like a VP who is not passionate, let's say not passionate enough to do his job and hindi siya nag-work. So I think ang approach is communication, clear communication. Kasi I just can't say na parang I don't like to parang sabi niya na parang micromanaging na parang so let's say X cluster the XVP doesn't do his job. So instead of just parang ako na mismo gagawa, parang I want to talk to him parang effective din yung one-on-one before like yung nagawa before na talk to each beta. So malalaman ko mas personal na alam niya na parang you're not performing na you use the sandwich formula there na to stress your point. Ganun. Pero ang bottom line is that we have to talk with personal note, know the reason, know the motivation and the inspiration of how you can help your
to point it out how similar our platforms were. Is there a difference, and if so, you could point it out and explain more or something?
So we have same kind of innovation in terms of parang innovation like that people. I think the difference lies that for this is for the platform itself or any parang our difference. So I think siguro yung leadership style na lang siguro kasi I don't know, straight parang gano'n. So parang nakakatakot siya. So I think for me, I could be parang I could tackle any parang people. People could I'm not saying that I'm more approachable than Bani, but if I exude that vibe. So for me, ang difference na lang is that leadership style. So coming that magkaiba pa yung parang medyo cluster like sabi niya, so, parang sa skills-wise, external. So for me, kung skills-wise din, I'm not for e-services. So that's the lang.
First question, it's really important for the president to become assertive, most especially if you're going to work not just within your EP, but also with other clusters. Goa clusters. So, convince me that you're fit for the job, that you have the right experience of being assertive. Because assessing you right now, based from the experiences I had with you, you're not that assertive.
So, for assertive part, siguro like past experiences, so I am not yet parang in the leader. So parang I was just testing the run for being a good follower yet. So for now,
that's not being assertive. That's not being assertive.
You're not convincing us. A little more.
Ay, sa pagsasalita.
Okay, kasi I understand, not taking excuses, pero public speaking is not my forte. So, anyway,
Yeah, so very
Sige. So, in that part naman, sige, I think everything, most things can be learned. So, like leadership naman, leadership is
Hello.
for me, I just can't learn leadership. Leadership requires experience. So, walang formula for that. So, for me, kung being assertive, it's like, I don't know, how do you consider assertive na ba? Imposing like an idea or a vision?
No,
more of being assertive is capturing your audience.
Ah.
Yes.
So capturing audience. Oh my God, they're not listening. So,
Capture.
You're losing us.
Next question. After that. Okay.
Okay, so let's go back to the leadership style. How do you think that your leadership style would be more effective? Assuming that you think.
for me, parang I'm open to ideas. I really accept other people's ideas, and then just the time na you assess if which ones are feasible or possible. Kasi from experience that from other I've worked with, other people just parang the moment you suggest something, parang mayroon ka dapat plans of how to support your idea. Parang other tend to, like my term is to shoot down the idea right away. So for me, to get to get new ideas as possible as first, and then this is time you deliberate which ones are for it's for leadership.
Really current EVP for public relations. Give me at least one major contribution that you did for the year.
For it's the hello, sorry. Pushing through the social-oriented part of the, for public relations, we have the promotion, and for the media, and the other for the socially oriented activities. So I think the major part is that for in that areas, the public relations, so inside and pushing through the NSTV and other social like Christmas, and then NIV before. So I think that the implementation itself, I think, kasi kung wala naman kung i-implement, I think that's parang, so yun nga, so if, parang, na-inspire kayo other people na open din yung idea na merong social-oriented, PR, actually PR it's not popular before eh, so parang they just know more external as marketing, so ngayon, I think na-improve yung at like branding, PR department as a part of it, it's an important part of the organization, especially the externals cluster. That there are other options aside from that. Externals is just not just about marketing; it's also about branding the organization and giving the members an environment that they're socially responsible.